Fun 107 and Bay Coast Bank present
South Coast Senior Weeks,
honoring the class of 2020. Dartmouth.
Class of 2020, it's Mr. Tebow. Congratulations, class of 2020. You did it, and know that we will miss you.
This is Superintendent Gifford wishing you all a joyous day and wonderful future. Imagine the stories you will be able to tell about your senior year.
This is Miss Xavier. Savor this day. You're off to great places. So proud of you.
This is Mr. Mine. I just want to wish you guys all the best.
Best of luck. We know you'll make us proud.
Miss Lassie here. Go off and make a difference. Be kind.
To my seniors, Maddie, Michael, and Trav, it's Mrs. KP. I'm so proud of all that you've accomplished in the past 4 years. Congratulations.
Hola, this is Señora Viena. Buena suerte.
Hey, class of 2020, congratulations. This is Mrs. Floor. I will miss seeing your smiling faces every day.
Mr. Bedard here, congratulating all you Dartmouth seniors. Be proud of all you've achieved and all you will go on to do. You rock.
It's Mrs. McPhee wishing the class of 2020 congratulations. You guys are awesome.
It's Senora Chamberlain. I'm so proud of you for all coming together during this crisis. I'm going to miss all of you. Best of luck and stay in touch.
Dr. Lee here. Have a great summer and best to you in the future. Bada bang.
It's Mrs. Kelly. It's been an honor to be one of your class advisors the past 4 years. I wish you all the best of luck, and I hope you find something in life that you love to do.
This is Mr. Bro. Just wanted to wish you all the best of luck, and that the challenges you overcame this year will only lead you to more success in the future.
Congratulations to the Dartmouth class of 2020. Good luck in the future.
Parabéns, felicitaciones, class of 2020, Senora Sousa.
This is Miss Snowcon. I wanted to say congratulations on graduating and good luck in the future.
Hello, this is Mr. Parati. I'll be capturing all the images from above using the DHS TV Media drone. So make sure to wave.
Class of 2020, this is Mrs. Grieve. You have made me so proud with the strength, grace, and passion that you have shown and continue to show in the face of adversity. It has been truly inspiring.
This is Mr. Higgins, and I just want to say congratulations and best of luck. We will all miss you. Nobody will ever forget the class of 2020.
This is Mrs. Rivard. We're so proud of you, and we'll miss you.
It's Nurse Christy. Just wanted to reach out and wish you guys nothing but the best.
Hi, Mr. McGrath here. Congratulations, class of 2020, on reaching the finish. Know that your futures are all very bright, so just continue to take care of yourself and take care of each other.
To all my graduating DECA seniors, thank you for a great year, and I wish you the very best in the future. Congratulations to all.
Congratulations, CHS, class of 2020. This is Miss Franco with a shout out to say I love you and support you as you continue your adventure. Stay strong, work hard, be kind, and may you be blessed.
This is Mr. Crisafulli. I encourage you to outwork and outcompete everyone in everything that you do.
This is a message from the Dartmouth Public Schools with a reminder to seniors: there will be no school tomorrow because you have graduated from Dartmouth High School. Congratulations.
Dartmouth High School, this is Michael Rock from Michael and Maddie on Fun 107. Look, you guys crushed it. Have a great time today and be safe.
Hey, Dartmouth High, it's Maddie from Michael and Maddie on Fun 107. You did it. You're done. Now it's time to celebrate. Congratulations on graduating and enjoy the parade.